What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for watching. So got the 135 behind me, and today we are going to swap out this old crusty head unit and got an RTD shifter you're gonna throw in. So stick around, you're not gonna want to miss this one. Hit the like, hit the sub, and let's jump into this. All right, guys, so we're gonna be replacing the terrible head unit that's in there with this guy right here. So it comes with a bunch of wires, it comes with mic, backup cam, all that good stuff. But it's a 9-inch display. This surround should fit perfectly in the Beamer, and hopefully everything will work out like it's supposed to. Let's go ahead and get it thrown in there. Let me show you guys the old unit first though. All right, guys, so here's the old unit. So as you can see, the screen's a lot smaller. It's actually not terrible, but here, let me power it up real quick. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it there. Maybe if I get rid of this light. So doesn't have Apple CarPlay. The touchscreen, like, it's a little bit difficult to work with, but no Apple CarPlay, which is huge for me. No backup cam. Let's yank this out. And I'm probably not gonna go too deep in depth. There's a bunch of videos of how to swap this out, but I'm just super excited to get it done. So let's make it happen. Just wanted to show you guys the back of the unit real quick. This thing's got a built-in fan, so that's pretty cool. It's very simple though. It's actually very thin. There's a screen, very thin, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, so it gives you a lot of room to like do some cable management in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thrown in there, show you guys what it looks like. Super hype. So good. That's so much better. That's crazy. Super hyped on how this came out. It was a little bit of a pain in the butt to like get all of it to sit in there and stay in there, but we made it. I'm so hyped, guys. Look at that. I'm pretty sure this is bigger than the screen. Actually, I know this is bigger than the screen that was in the Supra. Apple CarPlay is such a vibe. Let's go.
A few moments later.
So I also just picked up this gorgeous RTD short throw shifter, chassis mounted. If you're not familiar with these, you gotta look them up. Super excited for it. Went all out, got the lockout. Mostly had black interior, so kept everything black. Thought about getting a red knob, still might do it in the future, but oh, I also got the shorter version. So this one's here, and then you can get a really tall one that looks like a drift e-brake, but I thought I'd keep this one a little more simple. In my head, it seems like the throws will be a little bit shorter too if the actual rod itself is shorter, so that's why I went with this. Got nice weather out, already got the car somewhat in the air, so gonna go ahead and start getting this swapped out. Guys, if you work on your cars in your garage, on your floor, hit the like button, hit the sub button for me. And while you're here, drop down, there's a link below. Got some sweet merch, help support the project. Appreciate you guys. Let's keep it going. Here's the stock shifter for a little bit of reference. It's really not that bad. Let's see if I can throw it in some gears real quick. But yeah, that's the stock shifter. Ignore the wood grain. We'll see if we can fix that soon as well, but let's jump in. While taking it apart, I figured we should also examine the play that the old shifter has. So it's really not much. It's way worse than my other car. A little bit of play. Come down here. Like, as you can see, like, the whole thing moves. So we're going from tranny mounted to chassis mounted. Let's keep it going.
3 weeks later.
All right, guys, so got the screen in, got the shifter in, got the screen off Amazon. They're fairly affordable, but this one's pretty sweet. Still got the the film cover over it, but she's been working like a champ. Got the RTD shifter. She looks fantastic. I'm glad I went with the shorter lever. The race levers like sits like right here, and I feel like that would have been like blocking like half my screen. So, and for some reason I feel like the taller lever makes the shifts, the throws longer. So I wanted the shortest possible. I think I achieved that here. I think it's fantastic. Got the lockout. I think it looks super cool because it's got the cable that runs up. Also picked up the black flag shifter plate. This is specifically for the RTD shifter. It's got the reverse in red and all the numbers around it. Love how you can see some of the mechanism in there. Super cool. So yeah, I started doing this install by myself in the garage like I normally do, but life got super crazy. My little jack and jack stands could not get the car like as much as I wanted off the ground, so the car was like sitting on my belly as I'm like working on the car, so that was like really uncomfortable. I just don't have the time. I had a lot of family stuff happening these last couple of weeks, so I had to get the car taken to a shop, but I had the car to a point where the shifter linkage was already removed and I wasn't going to put it back on, so I had to get a tow truck. So I called a tow truck to come out. So the first guy was like, the car's way too low. I'm not touching that. If you would have maybe had the front bumper off, I would have gave it a shot. He said, take the front bumper off and you should be able to get it towed. I said, okay, cool. So I took the front bumper off. He didn't wait around. Called another tow truck. He was like, you need the tow hook to go to screw in the front of the car. I didn't have that. So a homie came by, dropped it off. Super clutch, but not in time. I didn't have the driver wait around for my buddy to deliver it. So the truck driver left. And then the third tow truck came. And I was like, I got the front bumper off. I got a tow hook. Can you please tow my car to the shop? And mind you, like when I made the request for these tow trucks, I'm letting them know that my car is super low. So send a tow truck that's prepared for a car that's super low. This dude gets here. I think this is what, truck number 3, maybe truck number 4 at this point. He's like, yeah, I highly recommend against towing a car from that tow hook, unless it's like an emergency, because you can bend the piece that the tow hook screws into and that can mess up other things. So I'm like, so he was like, I really don't want to do that to your car. He was a super cool dude. He's got like, I think he said he's got a couple like Z's and stuff that he's super proud of. So he was a car guy. He was like, I really don't want to mess anything up on your car. So I was like, cool. I'll figure out something else. Truck came out with a dolly and we were able to get the front wheels up on the dolly, as you guys can see here, and get the car towed over there. So low car guys, if you don't know, flatbed ain't gonna cut it. Request a truck with a dolly. 5 tow trucks came to the house. Insane. I mean, I felt bad for him, but like I was doing everything they recommended me do before I called the next guy. So it wasn't like I was having them come out and just like, if it worked, it worked. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Oh well. And I took it to a shop called Das Auto or Das Performance in Fredericksburg. Great shop. Highly recommend them. They got me hooked up. They got everything thrown on, super clean. I'm very happy with how it came out. I would highly recommend the shifter. It's not for the faint of heart, but I absolutely love it. It makes the car like feel like a race car, how tight and how notchy it is. It looks like a race car, almost like I have some type of special transmission in here when that's not the case, but very high quality. I highly recommend the RTD shifter, the black flag shifter plate. Highly recommend the screen. That all of this like completely changed the interior for this car. I appreciate you guys listening to my rant. Please check out the merch, support your boy. Merch link down below. I got more mods coming for the car. It's actually gonna get a little crazy for real. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subbed already, go ahead and sub. Let me know thoughts below. Do my videos suck? Are my videos like on point? And let me know what sucks about them, or let me know what's fire about them, and I'll adjust or keep whatever going or whatever. I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate y'all.